We're going to be installing a new clutch in our JI Mobile dirt bike, CRF 250R. We have everything we need, so let's get into it. First thing we need to do is lay it down so we don't have any oil spilling out. Here's our clutch cover here, 8 millimeters. We can remove this one. So here's our clutch basket right here. We're gonna have some 10 millimeters here that we can crack loose. So right there. Go down your way. Right, now here's your clutches. It's always gonna go, this is a fiber and then a metal. One thing we just want to do to double check is count how many we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so we have 9 of them. We already soaked these on the drive over. Put them in Mom's Tupperware container. Oh, it's oil. Looks like it's on there good. Everything seems like it's good.